Hi there, my name is Vasundhara Talware and we're going to learn how to make Dal Khichadi, the one that my mom makes the beautiful Sattvik way. So let's see what all goes into it. Let's have a look. Alright, so what do we need here? We obviously need rice and dal. So I have taken 1:2 proportion. If you are taking 1 cup rice, then you need half a cup of dal. So for myself, I've taken half a cup of rice and 1/4 cup of dal. The rice I use is the sticky rice and I love it watery, so this tastes really well. Here I have the curry leaves, black pepper, cardamom, clove, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, chopped cilantro, the coriander leaves that is, and you have the chopped tomatoes, chopped ginger, and some chilies. I have already this washed and kept ready to be put in the vessel we'll cook in. Then I have salt to taste, and this is the oil that I use. This is the organic cold pressed coconut oil, virgin oil. So I love this. It's very healthy. And I also have ghee. This is A2 local cow organic naturally made ghee. And you will also need some turmeric powder, some hing, some mustard seeds and cumin seeds. So let's begin. Take a nice beautiful vessel which is of steel. Please do not use non-stick anymore. And let me turn around the camera so that you can see me as well. Alright, so what do we do here now? We take a spoonful of oil, a tablespoon. This is less than that, so I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoon of oil. We'll wait for it to heat up. In the meantime, I'm going to grab the spatula and come back. So that's my spatula. You'll also need some water, and if you can heat the water while this is heating up, it's better, because when you add heated water in the rice, it doesn't thaw. It remains heated and it cooks well that way. That's what my mom says. So let's put that on. We need some more water. So if you have 1 cup of rice and dal together, the proportion of the water should be 3 cups. So that's the proportion you should have. I think that's heated. First, let's add the spices. So I'm going to put 1 spice in after another, and all the spices, your clove. So let's see what you got there. I hope you can see that's gone in. Such a badly made video this is going to be. All for you guys. What all do I have to do here, right? Okay. Add the green chilies to this. You hear the crackle? Add the ginger. Add your cumin seeds, your mustard seeds, one tiny spoon. This is like less than a teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a very small pinch of hing. Then add your curry leaves. The curry leaves are in. And now add your mixture. So if you want to at this point add your garam masala, you may add sorry. You may add half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder into this to make it more spicy. And remember, more spicy it is, the less Sattvik it is. So make sure that you know what you're doing. And I'm going to grab a hold for my vessel. And you may now add your hot water to this. So if you'd like to measure and add, so it has to be 3 cups. It's going to be hot, so 1, 2, I'm just going to randomly add, and 3. So I like my khichdi really watery. I love it. So I'm going to add some more of it. So I'm going to add the whole of it. You prepare your khichdi the way you like it. If you like it dry and the rice to be separate, then add less water. 3 cups is enough for 1 cup of the mix of dal and rice. And of course, like I said, garam masala and your chili powder can be added. Make sure it is according to your taste, and don't make it too spicy if you're not used to it. And to this, I like to add my ghee. So I'm gonna add a nice 1 big spoon of ghee to my khichdi. Any ghee lovers here? I love ghee. Such a divine, such a blessing to have ghee, which comes from a good source, which is non-intrusive on the animals, and tastes good. Alright, so we wait for this to heat up and we cover this with the lid until it cooks. I like to add my tomatoes in later. You can add them now as well. And coriander goes last. Just when it's about to be done. So let me add the tomatoes to the mix. And corianders will go in later. And salt to your taste. Stir it nice. Lots of love. It's very important that the bhava, the emotion that you cook with, is that all love. And that is what will feed your body. If you put in a lot of love in preparing your food, it will also make you feel a lot more love. So that's a little trick about feeling nice. So I'll get back to you once it's nearing the boiling point and it's bubbling and nice, about to make. We'll add the cilantro in and I'll show you how it looks finally. As you can see, and you will see now, The rice is almost done. There's a little bit of water, and I'm going to let that be because I like it watery. And this is when I switch it off. I put in the chopped cilantro. So I'm going to put in the chopped cilantro. Leave a little for the vegetable that I have made, which is the potato vegetable. And that's cooking right there. You want to have a look? Yeah, that's my awesome potato vegetable for dinner. I'm going to mix the cilantro in and close the lid and let it steam. Let the cilantro steam in with the rice and cook inside with the steam in it. So this is my dinner and I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. Watch the rest of my videos on my channel, and if you love this, would love to share it with your loved ones. It's a simple recipe to make at home, right? And Sattvik too, and healthy. So share it with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel for more. Take care. Mwah.